Welcome back. It's been a while. Welcome back to Diana's Kitchen. It's been a while since I did my last video, and today I have a guest. I have my great niece Elizabeth, and our cameraman behind us is Emily.
Pandesal.
How do you say it, Lizzie?
Pandesal.
Pandesal, and it's gonna be really nice and soft, and we have all the ingredients. So we have 3 cups of flour, and then we have half a cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and then we have teaspoon of sugar. We have half a cup of white granulated sugar and teaspoon of salt, and we also have a 1/4 cup of flour to use for later, and half a cup of breadcrumbs. And we also have half a cup of milk, but right now I'm using almond milk, 1/4 cup of butter, and you have to warm this up, and you add this butter to the milk and let it melt. So like that. Okay, last one is 2 eggs. Let's start. So I add the teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of yeast, and you leave it, let it sit until it's doubled in size. Done that first. Okay, let's see, add the half a cup of sugar, all. Very good. Teaspoon of salt. There you go. And then you mix it. Okay, so look at the yeast doubled in size. It's ready to go in.
The mixture.
Here in the flour mixture, the dry ingredients. So you put all your liquid. You mix it a little bit. We have 2 eggs and melted butter and milk, half a cup of milk, 1/4 cup of butter, and 2 eggs. Put it together.
Do we mix it?
And you mix it, or you can just
Whip it up.
This is the extra flour. You're gonna flour the board, your counter, whatever you call it. So you put the flour, that's the extra, and then you put this. Put a little bit of oil here, another tablespoon there, to oil the pan. I mean the bowl. Make sure you put oil in the bowl like that. Okay. Even though I greased my hand, but I like to use this. It's easy when you use this spatula. See? It's a little bit soft, but it's okay. Don't worry about it. Just add a little bit more flour. That's why you need 3.5 cups altogether, because that's for your when you do this. See? You think you can do it? Let's see. Look. Let me see. Do that. Yeah, fold it. Ay, nice job. Nice. Oops. Nice job. Okay.
I brought flour.
Yeah. So that's it. I think we're pretty good. Pretty good. It's soft. It's better to be soft. That's how your pandesal is nice and soft. So even if it's like 2-3 days, your pandesal, it's still nice and fresh. So you put it back here. There. See? So you cover it with saran wrap. Just cover it, let it warm. And we're going to let it sit for 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until the dough is doubled, double size. And then you cover it and let it sit there.
It'll be a surprise.
And when you open it later, you're gonna have a surprise double dough. We're back. Can you see, Lucy? We're back. Can you see our dough is now double the size? Look at that.
Fold it again. Fold it 3 times and come.
We're gonna cut this into 20 pieces. We're gonna make 20 pieces of pandesal, right? So you cut.
Try to make same size. You can feel it. You have to feel it though.
So you put just a slight bit, not much, so that the dough doesn't stick. So you go, see?
Very slippery.
Watch, and then you have to make it smooth because it's too much oil in your hand. It's okay. See how smooth? And then you roll it in your breadcrumbs. Right? Okay, and then you put it like that. Let me see. Okay, and here's Emily now. Lolo Ken is taking the video. Finally finished eating.
There you go.
And we make this.
One people gets each. Since there's one.
And we're gonna do a little bit of Nutella.
There you go.
We're gonna put Nutella.
Okay.
See what you do. You go like
Here's
that.
another one.
Wait.
Could you pass me one, please?
There's almost now left Nutella. And you put it in the middle.
Got it.
And you just close it.
Like a dumpling.
Like a dumpling. See?
This is gonna be surprised. No one knows what's inside.
See? You just make it like that.
Just
And put the breadcrumbs. So you have a choice if you want Nutella, butter, no, peanut butter, cheese. Oh, cheese. Okay, so now we're gonna put cheddar cheese. So you put it in the middle. So you get surprise.
Looks big.
Surprise cheddar cheese. Oh, look at it. Oh, nice. Hun, see, hun? Did you do this one? This is the one. Nice and smooth.
Oh wow, look at
Okay.
cheddar cheese.
Yeah, cheddar cheese surprise. Ah, see? Okay.
And put it in the breadcrumbs.
So we got 20, right? And then you cover it again. You're gonna let it sit for 1 hour. Okay, after an hour, the bread is ready to go on a preheated oven, 350. We're gonna bake it for 18 minutes, 15 to 18 minutes, or until it's brown. Wow, here we go. Too brown, but you can make it less brown, so probably 15 minutes. So you transfer it to a cooling rack. So you let it cool. Elizabeth is going to try it. Go ahead, try it, Elizabeth. Be careful, it's very hot.
One? No.
This is no cheese in the middle. She just like the plain one for now. And how is
That has a soft flavor and I like it.
Ah, okay.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe and like this video and leave a comment down below.
Thank you. And don't forget to try it. Try it. You'll like it. It's really easy. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, this one is with cheese. Wow. I think. Is the cheese?
Yep.
Oh, look at that. Wow. Nice. Let me see the cheese.
Oh, it's so cheesy.
Aww.